Food is a serious business in Italy, part of the national identity, as illustrated by a row that has broken out over how to make carbonara pasta sauce. Luca Cesari, a food historian and author from Bologna, faced a stream of online abuse after he posted a video on Instagram in which he presented what he said was the original version of carbonara, considered a classic of Roman cooking.
Avete mai preparato la carbonara originale, la prima vera carbonara?
La ricetta si trova nel numero di agosto del 1954 della Cucina Italiana, dove è stata pubblicata per la prima volta.
Ditching the usual ingredients of Italian pecorino cheese and cured pork cheek to be mixed with eggs to create a creamy sauce, the carbonara presented by Cesari was made with Swiss gruyere cheese, garlic, bacon and pan-fried eggs.
Niente cremina per la carbonara del 1954.
E adesso l'assaggiamo.
Cesari said he had gone back to the original recipe published in an Italian cookery magazine almost 70 years ago, and was trying to show how the recipe evolved over the decades.
Ho usato prendere una ricetta storica della carbonara.
I dared to take a historical recipe for carbonara dating back to 1954, the first Italian recipe for carbonara, which was published in Cucina Italiana magazine, and simply remade it.
Il problema è che la prima ricetta è molto diversa da
The problem is that the first recipe is very different from the current one and consists of minced bacon, garlic, Swiss gruyere cheese, and eggs, which are then fried with the spaghetti in the pan.
con gli spaghetti nella padella. Questo ha scatenato l'ira dei puristi della.
This has angered the carbonara purists who did not study history and think that our beautiful recipe has always remained identical to itself.
Identica a se stessa.
Unfortunately, this is not the case, and there have been hundreds of versions of carbonara.
Di versioni della carbonara.
Other examples of what Italians consider food heresy are pairing pasta with ketchup sauce, or adding pineapple to pizza, together with a de facto ban on ordering cappuccino after lunch.
As for the debate on who invented it, the carbonara, I don't think there is an inventor. I think it is a tradition, and as such it is evolved. In 1954 there was certainly someone who, before the Cucina Italiana cookbook, I can't remember the name, was already making it, including us. I am from the fourth generation of restaurant owners, so I can testify to that.
Noi compresi. Insomma, sono la quarta generazione, per cui lo posso testimoniare questo.
I think it represents the key to tradition in the same way that amatriciana or cacio e pepe represent who we are.
Rappresentano ciò che siamo.
Most Roman cuisine comes from the traders who came down from the Apennines.
Commercianti che venivano giù dall'Appennino.
So it recalls tradition 100%.
100%.
Ma che andrebbero rinchiusi.
Because it seems crazy to me.
Perché a me sembra
It seems to distort what is traditional, and so let him eat it.
stravolgere quello che è tradizionale, insomma. E quindi sì, sa mangiasse lui.
Ma questo da dove viene? Da che parte viene? Non ho capito.
Where did he come from? Nonsense.
Ognuno ha le sue ragioni, quello c'ha ragione.
Everyone has their reasons, but what reason does he have? You tell me. I don't know how to make carbonara, I must tell the truth. I don't know how to cook. But I know how to eat, and then when I eat out, my sisters are very good at cooking.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave your comments or suggestions in the comment section below. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.